give another name for segment TR, and B, name all rays with endpoint P. Which of these rays are opposite rays? In Part A, to name a segment, you can use the two endpoints listed in either order. For segment TR, the endpoints are T and R. So, another name for segment TR is segment RT. In Part B, to name a ray, you can list the endpoint followed by another point that lies on the ray. In this problem, to name all rays with endpoint P, first locate point P on the diagram. Now, one ray on this diagram consists of endpoint P and all points on line PQ that lie on the same side of P as Q. So, you can name this ray, ray PQ. Next, a second ray consists of endpoint P and all the points on line PR that lie on the same side of P as R. So, you can name this ray, ray PR. A third ray on the diagram consists of endpoint P and all the points that lie on the same side of P as S. So, you can name this ray, ray PS. Finally, a fourth ray on the diagram consists of endpoint P and all the points on line PT that lie on the same side of P as T. So, you can name this ray, ray PT. This gives you a list of all the rays with endpoint P. Now, two rays are opposite rays if they have the same endpoint and are collinear. From the diagram, you can see that ray PQ and ray PS both have the same endpoint P and are collinear. So, ray PQ and ray PS are opposite rays. In addition, ray PR and ray PT both have the same endpoint P and are collinear. Therefore, ray PR and ray PT are opposite rays as well.